I'm Zoe.
And we developed an app called Happy Dog. This app randomly generates dog pictures and a random Simpsons quote. And the reason we made this app was to create something that brightens people's day and makes you laugh. We didn't want to use traditional inspirational quotes because that's boring. So we went with Simpson quotes. They don't always make sense, but they do make you laugh.
So there are two options to generate a quote in a picture. You can either click a button and it'll do it.
Like so.
Otherwise, you can shake the app, which will just simulate. And yeah, so now we'll look at the code for this.
So this is our main activity class.
One of the things that I worked on individually was allowing the app to be shaken. So there's an accelerometer which senses when the app changes gravity, and if it hits a certain threshold, the API call is triggered, and you get a new picture and a new quote.
And something that I worked on was getting the image API to work and getting the image to properly show up on the screen. So one of the things that we used was the Picasso library. We originally tried using Bitmap, but that gave us a lot of errors and we weren't able to get the image to show up properly. So we found this Picasso library that's able to load the image from the API and onto the app. But overall, we mostly collaborated on this app, and we worked together to find various libraries and APIs that we implemented in this app.
So some of the smaller issues that we ran into is we got a lot of errors when working with the API, so volley request errors and then some null pointer errors that we eventually figured out how to fix. Trying to get the quotes to work was a little bit tricky, but we got it. If we were to improve this app, we thought we could use like a different TV show to generate quotes, one that like either we liked better or that other people thought would be funnier, or using pictures from our friends who have animals so that it's more personalized to them.
And this was an original project because we included the shake function, and there aren't really any apps out there that give you both dog pictures and Simpsons quotes, so we definitely hit the originality. And that is our app.